So today I've got a good one for you guys, and it does not involve Zeus, my 2018 lifted Indoraptor. Instead, it is involving my son's 2016 F-150. Now, even though his truck is top of the line with bells and whistles, it's a 2016, and that means that it came with an 8-inch screen, but it did not come with CarPlay. Well, we're gonna fix that today. I'm doing some research right here, and I've learned that all you'll need to complete this upgrade is a USB flash drive with at least 8 gigabytes of storage on it. I've got a 256 right here in my bag. You'll need to do all of this in the house at the computer before you step foot in the vehicle. First thing is to go to scionlabs.net, and this will take any of your 3.0, 3.1, 3.2, or 3.3 and update to the 3.4, but you cannot do it through Ford. So we're going to scroll down. You're at the Send 3 Updater. We'll scroll down and you're going to look over to the right here. You're going to click on it and download that. Now it's going to do this right here. So when it downloads, you can save it to your desktop. That is the installer. We'll double click on that. You'll see it right there. We'll double click it again, and you'll go through the full install process right here, answering the questions. There's the setup wizard where you want to install everything. Yes, finish. And it's going to take you through this. Now this is going to pop up, and you're gonna select your drive, like right here, my USB drive, I'll select it, region, USA, version right here, usually pick the top one, okay, map version, you can pick any of these you want to. I usually pick the top one, the latest, okay. And you've got over here, you've got other things you need to click on, and you manually check your model. So you'll enter your model from your Ford. You can go to Ford.com, put in your VIN number, and this will tell the exact model, and you can check it here. So you go through all of this, and eventually it's going to download. You click start right here, and then it's going to download onto the computer. Next, we're going to take the flash drive and put it in, format it to exFAT. Now we're just going to highlight all of these, right click, and we're going to copy them, and we're going to paste them onto the flash drive in a file labeled Scion Labs. There's another piece of equipment you're going to need before you head out to the truck to install this. And that's going to be your USB sync hub for CarPlay. And I know you're thinking, well, Mike, I've already got one in there. It's 2016. Yes, but yours does not have CarPlay. We're going to pull that one out, and we're going to install our new unit. Links in the description below. So this part number is for a 2017 and up, which has CarPlay from the factory. All right, let's run out to the truck. And the first thing you're going to want to do is pop out that old USB hub underneath the climate control down in the little cubby area. You're going to pop it out, taking 2 screwdrivers or a little door pin puller. Just pop it out, swap electrical connectors with the new USB hub, and you're good to go. We're going to go ahead and crank the truck up. You'll notice that it lit up down there, okay? That's what you want. You want to make sure it lights up. Now we're going to take our USB right here and we're going to plug it in. But that's only after you've cranked the vehicle up. And now you're just going to wait, and it should take 30-45 minutes, but I've seen it take as long as an hour and a half. All right, you're going to get this notification. Now, it actually took me almost 2 hours, because if you have an older, like the 3.0, and you're going to 3.3 or 3.4, the maps is what takes forever. And we go to Ford Sync. I'll show you guys. You notice CarPlay, general. About, and this screen confirms you do have Sync 3 version 3.4, the latest and the greatest, only available through Scion Labs, not Ford. Also, one other thing you guys can add, went ahead and added a wireless CarPlay. I mean, we've got the cable if we need it to charge the phone, but we just push it down in there. And there's the phone, no cord, and we've got CarPlay. Yes. Oh man, it got cold out here. All right, guys, if you like this video and it helped you out in some way, shape, or form, I appreciate it clicking on this one right here. That's right. And if you like this video, you really need to head on over and check this one out. That's it. You can find the links down below, along with the links of everything I used today. So be sure to click on the links. They are safe to click on. And if this video was all that you hoped it would be in your journey to updating your sync, I'm glad I could be a part of it. All right, well, leave comments below if you got any questions. I'll try my best to help you out. And we're going to find something else to get into around here. Later, y'all.